legal working group, because since we since the hatch and since the Commons upgrade, I don't think there will be a lot of legal documents that we need to prepare for the TEC, and there's not so much we don't have so many projects working on at the moment. So there's no so we will just have like a monthly call for coordination, and if and giving updates. And yeah, because and then if we find something that needs more attention and more discussion, then we can always have more meetings. But at the current status of TEC, we don't see anything to really talk about regularly in the legal calls. So we're doing a monthly call. It's happening every second Friday of the month, same schedule, 4 p.m. CET. And then I know that in the previous calls we talked about having an open discussion for legal related topics in the token engineering field in Web3. But since Griff will be facilitating that call and he will have a limited availability in the coming months, so we decided just to postpone the plan until he comes back with his regular schedule, and we can prepare more for those calls. So yeah. So our next meeting after this will be on second Friday of the month. So it will be on July 8th. So I'm just dropping it here. All right, but yeah, I mean, and also you know that in these calls it's usually me and Teresa who are and you Bear, who are the regular participants in this call. So yeah. And if there's anything that we need to sync on, Teresa, if there's anything that we want to work on between now and this date, we can just have a one-on-one. And yeah, but I don't anticipate any project in the coming weeks. Okay. And then for the covenant, I already posted it in the forum, but I didn't get any feedback from the community. So it's been there for 9 days. So the next step should be to post it in the gardens for voting, for community voting. But I don't know if we because right now I can't I am having issues with the gardens, and I can't open it. Like I always get this issue, so this error message. So I can't post it yet in the gardens, but maybe I'll try to ask someone, or maybe you, Teresa, would like to. Do you have like access to TEC Gardens? Maybe I don't know if you're
I
up
mean,
for posting it. Mhm.
I'm not sure if I have access or not, so probably not.
Okay. So if you don't have access to it, maybe I'll just ask someone from the stewards to post it on behalf of yeah in or because I think Live is not also available, but yeah, I'll try to sync with her as well. If we can just go ahead and publish it and post it in the garden, so the committee can already start voting. But yeah, so it's been here for 9 days. If anyone from the committee wants to give feedback, it's still open before we go to the before we move it to the gardens for voting. So that's the next step. And then once it passes, then we will update the covenant in the gardens. All right, and this one, Teresa, you mentioned this yesterday. So do you just want to talk about this a bit, or what do you think is the plan for this? Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course. No, what I mentioned regarding maybe like having an investigation regarding the legal part of token engineering. That's
Mm-hmm.
what you mean, right? Or not sure. Let me open the Wait. Oh, yes. No, like what I mentioned regarding that is that at some point it would be interesting um to have like just like the investigation about the like with tokenization and all of that, like all the legal implications, to have like a little investigation regarding that topic.
The legal
Maybe I think like contact Andrew to see if he's interested in also like leading that. That'll be cool. Because at some point he mentioned he was very into like tax and all of
Mhm.
that.
Mhm. So what will be if we go ahead with this investigation? Like, what will be our output for this? Is it gonna be like a forum post, or what? Do you know what Bunju's plan is for this? What's his
I mean,
plan?
I publication just to like have it like publicly available because
Mm-hmm.
like for example like right now we're talking in the academy and all of that, there are like different aspects of token engineering, so like it will be like cool to have like a legal side, legal aspects of the tokenization part as well.
Mm-hmm. So should I just reach out to Bunju directly and ask him if he wants to create a project for this?
Yeah, I'll text him. That sounds good.
Yeah. You will coordinate this with him, right?
Yes, I
Okay.
can do that perfect. Yes.
Okay. And if you think that we need funding for this investigation, you can always create a proposal. And the process is first deposited in the forum for advice process. And then we can move it to the for conviction voting later on. If you once you have yeah once you have made clear plans around this project. But I think it's important to for right now what I want to know is like after this investigation, like what will be the output, and where will it be where will the information be available, and what will be
Okay.
the output. Yeah. Yeah, and then probably in our next call you can give us updates on the progress here. But I mean, you don't have to wait for the next meeting. If you think you can get ready, you can prepare your proposal and post it in the forum and get the feedback from the community. But if you need my inputs as well, or my thoughts, just let me. You can just reach out to me, and you don't have to wait for the for the next meeting. I'm always available.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. And so yeah, is there anything else that you want to talk about? I feel like this call is gonna be very short since nobody else joined, and Teresa and I already synced yesterday, so we're just giving updates to the community. Okay, if nothing else, we can uh end the call. And thank you, Teresa and Bear, for coming to this call. Right, bye, guys.